An average lifetime in our part of the world is about 80 years. And those years we tend to structure up in time, like second, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and so on, to get structure in a life. But very often there happen things that we can't really explain, that aren't structural. It's a coincidence. There are things that happen that we couldn't predict. Perhaps someone is calling you and you just have thought about that person. When this tends to happen, we most of the time just laugh about it and think that there is a little bit chaotic things in our world as well. But I found that when the chaos and the structure is combined, sometimes it gets so strong that you can't really explain it, and you can't really laugh at it at all. You almost think that it's kind of a miracle. And I will show you how to create this situation. What I got here is an ordinary watch. And when I turn the knob around, you see I can change the pointers of the watch. And I want you to just hold out your hand, take this watch upside down and turn the knob around. In this way we are creating some kind of chaos, because we don't know which time you are setting the watch to. And when you feel it's right, just push in the little button and we will stop the watch there. Right, now we have no idea which time it is. There are 12 hours, 60 minutes. Out of this we can create 720 different kinds of time, like 12:06 or 9:53 or anything. If you will take a lucky guess, what would you think that the time is on the watch right now?
5:26.
5:26. I will write this down so we remember. 5:26, like that, right? If the time you say 5:26 matches the watch, we have a strange coincidence. It's not a miracle, but it's something that we could laugh about. So please turn over the watch and see what time it is.
7:10.
7:10. It's not at all the same. But if I can find, I'll write down the number 7:10. If I can find a connection in between those two as well, then perhaps we have a miracle. All right. So in this case we have the 7:10 and 5:26. Great, because I have a pocket watch here, and in this watch there is another time. Can you see what it says?
7:10.
7:10. That's great, right? So that's one other time. But you also said 5:26, and on the back of this watch there is an engraving. And if you feel with your finger over the surface, you can feel that it is in fact engraved.
Yes.
Can you read out loud the time?
5:26.
5:26. And that, I think, is our miracle.